Well, hello. Patricia here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, but more specifically, sorry, I'm going to have to move this. It's trying to pull on me. Sorry, there we go. But more specifically in Alaska, with a very snowy Alaska on this March 10th. By now, we should have most of the snow gone here in the valley, but not so much this year. Anyway, kind of fun. So, I am going to do a quick video today. I know you're like, Patricia, you don't know how to do quick videos, but I am going to do a quick video today, and I'm going to do it for the card of the month. And if you place an order of at least $55 this month, then you will get this packet for free. And once you get the packet, you can open it up, and actually, this is also, I put an extra one of those, so I'll put that aside, or I'll put both of them aside, and we'll decide which one we're going to use. But I'm just going to go very quickly through this, and then I will show you a full video how to cut everything and all of that after I get back from on stage. And the reason I'm doing this one now is because this is one of the cards that I'm doing for a make and take at on stage. So here we go. Just realized I did not get this piece in the packet, so I had to pull it up. Anyway, once you get your packet in the mail or in person if you're local, then you can start putting everything together. So I am going to, I've got my card base here. I am going to take the embossed piece, and this is not wanting to come out, and you know how that happened the other day. It wanted to go everywhere once it finally decided to come out. Look at this, though. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, my goodness. I love this embossing folder. All right, come on. Okay, it's not wanting to come out. So, and I'm trying to do this in a hurry, right? So I'm going to go to another one. Okay, there we go. Now, because this is embossed, I do want to put, enough glue on there. Or if you are using the tape runner, whatever it is that you're using, put that on that piece. Line it up, of course. Make sure it's even. And then we're going to take this piece, and for this one, it's going to go on the back of this. So we will be able to see both sides of this. So what I'm going to do is put on the outside, I put it on the wrong side. Shoot, can't believe I did that. You know what? We're going to go ahead and do this one. I can't believe I did that. But I want to make sure, and it's on the wrong side, so let me go grab another one of these. All right, well, I didn't have another one handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue eraser, and I'm going to erase that glue on there. You do have to let it dry. Mine might not be dry enough, so for the moment, I'm going to let it continue drying. Okay, well, I wasn't able to get all of it off, but I'll continue working with my glue eraser and get that off. So, let me start again. You want to put this on the front, and this is how I normally do it. I put it in here, and I'm like, okay, I need glue on this edge. I don't want to go all the way to the end, but I want it on this edge. So I'm going to put it there, and then I put it on this edge, okay, so that when I line this up like this, it's all lined up, and then close this, I've got glue on this side and I've got glue on that side. Now, as I said, I'm going to have to keep working with my glue eraser a little bit. I could just get another one of these and put it on top of that and glue it in, but I want to show you how to make the card. So then I'm going to take these two, and before I do anything, I want to stamp my image. And my image is right here. So with Cajun Craze, that's this color right here. I am going to stamp, helps if you stamp it right side up, thinking of you. All right. Put that in there. I sort of want to center it up and down, but I'm also going to, there we go. I'm also going to put some images on, or some cutouts, die cuts. So I want it teeniest little bit to the right. And then at the bottom, I've got one or the other of these. These are very delicate. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one just because. Where is my, that'll work. Poke that little bitty thing out of there. There we go. And it's going to go on the bottom like this. So I'm either going to put my glue on it, which I could, or I could use my, there we go. We've got that on there. For little bitty things like this, I like to, there we go. And ta-da! There he goes. All right. Then these two are going to kind of go, let me show you the finished product. They are going to go here between the white and the Cajun Craze. Okay, so they're just up here. This one, which is this is Lost Lagoon, and this is Pretty Peacock, and the Pretty Peacock one is going to go on top, but I don't want to put it on there until I've put these two together. What I want to do is put my glue on the, or dimensionals, you can use whichever floats your boater, and since I did that one with just glue, I'm going to go ahead and put dimensionals on this one. And I kind of want to put, you know, a fair number. You do you. Some people would not want this many. Whatever works, okay? Then we're going to take those off. Now, here's another thing. You don't have to take all of your backings off because it's still going to hold it up regardless of whether you take the backings off or not. Then I want to put these in here, however I decide to place them. And with that, I think I want this one over here. With those dimensionals already on there, oops, that will be my glue to hold those together. Then place it, go a little bit down, I went a little high. There we go. That's one reason I really like the glue so much better, is because it does give me that time to move it. Oh, what I was going to say is using your mat and put glue on here and then dunking, if you will, your piece in that glue. So either that, or I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. All right, and then I'm going to put this on the front, and I am going to use my glue. Okay, that's really just a very tiny little bit of glue. It's just kind of all over. Put that in there. There we go. And this will go on the front. Oh, I was going to show you how to use this. So what you do, put a little blob on there. You can either, I should put the lid on this, either use like a sponge dauber or whatever you want. And then you don't want to move this around while you're dabbing that back. But you want to get your glue on there everywhere that you can. Then just use that one for glue. Okay. Then put this on here. Ta-da! Like that. Then with your inside, and see that's, there is some glue on there still, so I do want to try to just do what I say, not what I do, right? I've almost got it all off of there. All right, then this is my sentiment piece, okay? And I'm going to put it here. I could put this like this. I could cut it in half and put half at the bottom and half at the or at the top and the bottom. And if I was going to, I would probably put that underneath, or put it like this, whatever you want with that. And it is the back. Whoops, it's supposed to be this one. Well, I didn't get the right one in this, but so I'll have to get another one. But whatever works for you. All right. And that is how to create. I did put the correct ones in all the others. So this is your signature piece. And there we go. I won't put this one back inside. All right, there you go. So if you have a, I believe it's $60 order or more, or did I say 55? I keep changing that. So $55 order or more, then you will get this for free in the mail, or if you come to a class, you'll get it at the class, just so we save on not having to ship it. If you would give me a thumbs up, I would love it. If you want to subscribe, I would love that as well. If you have not already done so, obviously, and share this video. Thank you so much.